Hi people, I have another mini fashion ball to open up. Like, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh god, this one's gonna be difficult. They're all difficult, but at least the last one wasn't this difficult. What the hell? Open. I think like I kind of need to press it in so like the plastic lifts. It takes forever to open these stupid things. Oh man, hold on. I'm gonna have to go in here with a pen. Ugh. God damn it. So, I love the sound of opening them because it just like sounds all crunchy and fun. But then, oh man, still, even with that, you still don't want to open all the way? The hell, you stupid thing. Man. I need to invent, like, something that opens these very easily. Because this is a pain in the fucking ass. It takes up damn near the whole video to open it. Okay, look. I'm gonna open this. Because this one's being real stubborn. And go to part 2, and we'll see what I actually have in there. Alright, so finally got it, so I can just peel it open and crack it open like an egg. Cooking some eggs. I'm ridiculous. Okay, don't mind me. Which one are we opening first? We'll open this one. Mini fashion! Let's see what we got. More sunglasses? This is my 3rd pair of sunglasses. Ow. And again, they still don't fit on my nose. I don't know why I did. Oh my goodness, this is a little nail polish. Aww. And there's little glitter. It's a little nail polish. Look at that. I know I need to do my nails, but but that's so cute. It doesn't open. No, none of that fun stuff. But it is very, very cute. Oh, I like it. Ooh, see, y'all, when I was telling you I wanted the pink shiny bag, this is the one that I want. The pink shiny one that looks kind of like a Dior bag. But at least I got the sticker. Hopefully, maybe I'll get the actual bag in this too. That'd be cool. Oh, another little makeup brush. I already have this one, but again, like, even just, it's so cute. So, let's see what bag we got. I hope it's the shiny pink one that I just showed you the sticker of. No, but it is a pink one. And oh my god, it looks so cute. Oh, it looks like a little Chanel. Look at that. Oh, take the little papers out. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at it. Aww. Then put my nail polish and my makeup brush in there. And man, I don't know where my little sunglasses went, but yeah, this is awesome. I'm very happy with this one. This one's super cute. It's not the one that I've been looking for, but super freaking cute. Love it.